If you are a wine enthusiast, you know how important proper storage is to preserve the flavor and quality of your favorite bottles. Building your own wine storage not only adds a personal touch to your collection but also allows you to showcase your wines in a unique and a stylish way. One popular and the cost effective option is using pallet wood to create a do-it-by-yourself wine rack storage solution. In this video we will going to explore some creative ideas for wine storage using pallet wood that you can easily replicate at home. Here we are back again with another amazing video. I hope you people are doing so well. Good morning and welcome back. Thanks for being here. Your response regarding my channel is so phenomenal. In this video I am going to show you some amazing do it by yourself wine storage pallet wood ideas that you can make at home, and you can preserve your wine in a better way, and you can even sell this product on an online e-commerce web store and earn a handsome amount of money. One of the simple and the most versatile option is the pallet wine rack. Starts disassembling a pallet and select the wooden planks that are in good condition. Measure the size of your desired wine rack and cut the planks accordingly. Then attach the planks together to form a rectangular frame, leaving enough space between each plank for the wine bottles to fit the snugly. You can also add little dividers to separate the bottles and prevent them from rolling. Mount the wine rack on the wall and voila, you can have a rustic and the functional wine storage solution. For more minimalist and the space-saving option, consider building a pallet wine shelf. Cut a pallet into individual planks or use the existing slats for they are in a good shape. Sand them down to create a smooth surface. Next, attach the plank horizontally to sturdy walls using bracket or nails, ensuring they are evenly placed. The gaps between the planks will serve as slots to your wine bottles. This design not only showcases your wine collection but also add a touch of decorative element to your space. If you prefer a closed storage solution to protect your wines from sunlight, dust, and the pallet wine cabinet might be the perfect choice. To build a wine cabinet, disassemble a pallet and separate the wooden planks. Create a rectangular frame using the plank, leaving the front open. Attach additional planks to the sides and back to the complete of the structure. Add shelf inside the cabinet to accommodate your wine bottles and the glasses. You can also incorporate a hang door or the curtains to keep your collection hidden. Finish it off with a coat of varnish and paint and enhance the appearance. For wine enthusiasts who enjoy hosting gathering, a pallet wine bar offers both storage solution and serving functionality. Start by constructing countertop using pallet plank. Attach the plank together and reinforce the structure with support beams underneath. Add shelf or rack below the countertop to stop your wine bottles. Incorporate hooks for or holder to hang the wine glasses, crockeries, and other accessories. Finally, apply a protective finish to the wood to ensure the durability and the longevity of your wine rack. Remember, when working with a pallet wood, it is essential to properly clean and treat the wood to remove any contamination and the potential hazard. Staining the wood and applying a sealant and the paint can provide a protective and give a wine storage a polished look. In conclusion, building your own wine storage with pallet wood is an excellent way to showcase your wine collection while adding a touch of creativity and the uniqueness to your space. Whether you are optional for a simple wine rack, a functional wall shelf, a stylish wine cabinet, and a versatile wine bar, pallet would offer endless possibilities. So grab your tools, unleash your creativity, and start crafting your very own do it by yourself wine storage solution. Today's cheer to preserving the display of your favorite wine in a style. If you have a large collection of wine and want to make statement with your storage, consider creating a pallet wine wall. Start by securing a pallet to the wall horizontally, then attach additional pallet versatility to create a grid-like pattern. Ensure that the pallets are securely fastened to the wall studs for stability, and gaps between the slats can serve as the individual store slots for your wine bottles. This design not only provides sample storage but also adds a visually striking feature to your space. For those with dedicated space to basement, transforming a section into a pallet wood wine cellar can be an exciting project. Being a framing and walls using pallet wood, line the walls with insulation materials to regulate temperature and the humidity, creating an ideal environment for wine storage. Build custom wine rack or shelf using pallet wood to fit your specific needs. Add a door with proper sealing to keep the cellar insulated. This project may require more advanced woodworking skill, but the end result will be unique and the functional wine storage space. If you enjoy flexibility and the mobility wine storage, a pallet wine totally is fantastic option. Start by creating a sturdy base using pallet wood, ensuring it has belly for easy movement. Build vertical frame on the base to hold your wine bottle securely. Include additional shelf or the compartments for wine glasses, crackers, and the other accessories. This portable wine storage solution allow you to bring your favorite wherever you go, make it perfect for outdoor gathering and parties. For those who appreciate the aesthetically appealing wine labels, a pallet wine display can be an excellent choice. Disassemble the pallet and construct a wooden box-like structure with open front, attached glass panel, or the acrylic sheet to the front to create a transparent display. The wine bottles can be arranged horizontally, allowing the label to be prominently showcased. Install LED lights inside the case to enhance the visual appeal and create a captivating display to your wine collection. Remember, when you are working with wood project, it's crucial to prioritize safety. Inspect the pallet for any sign or damage or the chemical treatment that could affect your wine. Sand down the wood to smooth out any rough edges and the splinters. Additionally, consider applying a wood sealant or stain to protect the pallet wood for moisturize and prolong its lifespan. With these additional ideas, you have a range of options to choose from. When it comes to do it by yourself wine storage with pallet wood, let your imagination run wild, adapt the design to suit your space and the personal style, and enjoy the process of creating wine storage solution that is unique as your collection itself.
Our today's video, we are going to discuss and show you some do it by yourself food and wine rack design ideas that will inspire you. So let's get started. If you are a wine lover who enjoy having a few bottles in hand, do it by yourself wooden wine rack might be the perfect project for you. A wine rack not only provide a functional storage solution for your wine bottles, but also add a touch of elegance to your home decor. In this video, we will explore some do-it-by-yourself wooden wine rack design that you can use to create a beautiful and unique wine storage solution for your home. A wall-mounted wine rack is a great space-saving option that can add an interesting design element to your wall. To make a wall-mounted wine rack, you need some wooden planks, a saw, drills, screws, and a few other basic tools. Cut the wooden plank into an equal size, drill hole into them and screw them together to create a ladder-like structure. Hang the wine rack on the wall using screws and attach wine glass holder underneath each plank of add functionality. A rustic wine rack can add a charming old wonderful feel to your home decor. To take a rustic wine rack, you will need some wooden plank, a saw, sandpaper, and some basic woodworking tools. Cut a wooden plank into different sizes and sand them down to create a weather and a disastrous look. So attach the plank together in a random pattern. Create a unique and rustic design.